Brother, diesel engines are built tough, but cold starts can still hurt them. Popular studies show that 70% of engine wear happens at startup when oil hasn't fully circulated yet. The solution is simple. Give the engine a moment to let the oil flow before pushing it. Keep revs low for the first minute, around 1,500 RPM. This habit protects bearings and turbo parts from shock. Think of it like stretching before a workout. No rush, no damage. Buddy, next up, why oil quality matters more than brand hype. Segment 2. Buddy, not all engine oil handles diesel soot the same. Japan's automotive clubs found that oils with high detergent packages suspend carbon and soot better, slowing sludge buildup. The fix is choosing oil rated for diesel engines like CJ4 or CK4. These standards handle soot and heat more effectively. Practical tip: change oil earlier if you drive short trips often, around 4,000–6,000 miles instead of waiting too long. Keep a logbook so you don't forget the rhythm. Brother, coming next, the warm-up myth most drivers still get wrong. Segment 3. Brother, long idling to warm a diesel wastes fuel and increases carbon deposits. Automotive experts in Japan say gentle driving warms engines faster than sitting still. The solution is to idle only 30–60 seconds, then roll slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Buddy, open roads beat garage warm-ups. Practical tip: avoid full throttle until coolant hits 70 degrees or 160 degrees. Consistency wins this game. Little steps, long life. Buddy, next, how fuel habits can quietly destroy your injection system. Motivation moment, buddy. Small daily discipline takes you farther than big, rare repairs. Treat your car like a long-term friend. It pays you back with years. Segment 4. Buddy, filling diesel into a cheap plastic can without anti-static protection can spark static discharge. Japan's highway safety reports warn that static buildup is a hidden ignition risk at gas stations. The fix is using approved fuel containers with anti-static material or grounding your can before filling. Practical tip: touch metal ground first before pumping into any container. Brother, coming next, why dusty roads demand a different maintenance mindset. Segment 5. Brother, dust ingestion is one of the biggest silent killers for diesel engines. Japan's off-road diesel communities found that fine dust wears piston rings and clogs air sensors faster than mileage predicts. The solution is checking the air filter every 5,000 to 8,000 miles if you drive dusty terrain often. Practical tip: tap it clean if you're in the field, but replace it when you're home. Don't blow compressed air too close, it can tear fibers. Buddy, next, the cool-down rule turbo owners ignore too often. Segment 6. Buddy, shutting down a hot turbo diesel immediately traps oil inside the turbo at extreme heat, baking it into carbon. Japan's diesel mechanic guilds recommend a cool-down period to stabilize turbo temperature. The fix is letting the engine run 60 to under 120 seconds after a hard drive before turning off. Practical tip: after highways or uphill pulls, never skip this pause. This keeps oil passages clean and turbo seals healthy. Brother, next up, how temperature swings affect engine metal stress. Motivation moment, brother. Patience isn't slow, it's strategy. Cooling down is respect for physics, not superstition. Segment 7. Brother, rapid temperature swings expand and contract engine metals unevenly, accelerating fatigue. Japanese endurance car forums highlighted that stable operating temperatures prevent head gasket stress and micro-warping. The solution is monitoring coolant health and thermostat function. Practical tip: replace coolant every 3 to 5 years or 50,000–80,000 miles. Use the correct mix, usually 50–50, for boiling and freezing protection. Buddy, next, the habit that keeps combustion clean without opening the engine. Segment 8. Buddy, carbon buildup in diesel engines comes from incomplete combustion and soot recirculation. Japan's long-mile diesel owners run fuel system cleaners periodically to dissolve deposits. The fix is using a diesel injector cleaner every 10,000–15,000 miles. Practical tip: choose one designed for diesel soot and water separation support. Keep water out, drain your fuel filter if it has a separator. Brother, next, the electrical mistake that drains your battery faster than age. Segment 9. Brother, heavy electrical load at low RPM makes the alternator strain and the battery discharge repeatedly, shortening life. Japanese driver groups suggest balancing electrical use with engine speed. The solution is avoiding maximum AC, defroster, and high beam combinations while idling too long. Practical tip: if you need power, raise revs gently to 1,500 RPM. Buddy, next, belt care. It's not sexy, but it saves engines. Motivation moment. Buddy, reliability isn't loud, it's quiet discipline that keeps you moving when others stall. Segment 10. Buddy, belts and tensioners fail early when ignored, even if the engine is healthy. Japanese mechanics replace drive belts on time to avoid snapping that can overheat or stop a diesel engine. The fix is checking belt condition every 20,000 30,000 miles and replacing around 60,000 90,000 miles depending on cracks or squeal. Practical tip: keep proper tension, 2 tight stresses bearings, 2 loose slips. Brother, next, oil level mistakes that suffocate engines. Segment 11. Brother, overfilling or underfilling engine oil creates foaming or starvation. Japanese diesel communities check levels weekly to stay in the safe zone. The solution is keeping oil exactly between the marks, not higher, not lower. Practical tip: park on flat ground when checking. Cold engine gives the truest reading. If oil smells burnt or looks too dark fast, your intervals might need adjustment. Buddy, next, the fuel filter ritual that separates winners from breakdowns. Segment 12. Buddy, diesel fuel carries water risk that causes corrosion and injector damage. Japanese long-mile owners drain water separators often and change filters before clogging. The fix is replacing fuel filters every 15,000 25,000 miles. Practical tip: if power drops or engine hesitates, check the filter first. Keep spare filters if you travel far. Brother, next, why highway pulls are actually good when done right. Motivation moment, brother. Doing the unglamorous things on time makes the glamorous mileage numbers possible. Segment 13. Brother, steady highway RPM burns soot cleaner than stop-and-go city driving. Japanese diesel drivers occasionally run 2,000-2,500 RPM for 20-30 minutes to clear the exhaust system naturally. The solution is giving your engine a regular, clean burn session. Practical tip: pick a long, open stretch and hold it smooth, not aggressive. This keeps EGR and exhaust paths healthier. Buddy, next, the intake cleaning trick most drivers never schedule. Segment 14. Buddy, intake valves and EGR paths sludge up with soot. Japanese mechanics clean EGR and intake manifolds on a schedule, not just when clogged. The fix is inspecting EGR every 30,000 50,000 miles and cleaning if needed. Practical tip: early cleaning prevents choking airflow. Use proper diesel cleaners, not random solvents. Brother, next, how parking habits affect battery and fuel stability. Segment 15. Brother, parking on a slope repeatedly causes uneven oil pooling and can trick sensors and keeping electrical systems stressed. Japanese drivers park flat when possible for accurate oil readings and stable electrical rest. The solution is choosing flat spots or rotating parking direction. Practical tip: if you store diesel, keep the tank near full to reduce moisture condensation. Buddy, next, the terminal habit that keeps batteries alive longer. Motivation moment, buddy. Long life is a pattern. Mileage is just the scoreboard of habits. Segment 16. Buddy, battery terminal corrosion creates resistance, forcing alternators to push harder. Japanese car owners clean terminals gently and protect them after. The fix is cleaning terminals every 6-12 months and applying protective grease. Practical tip: disconnect negative first, reconnect it last when working on a battery. Brother, next, why vibration clues matter early. Segment 17. Brother, new vibrations or small knocking sounds are early mechanical Morse code. Japanese master mechanics listen first before diagnosing deeper. The solution is checking mounts, oil flow, and belt tension when you notice anything new. Practical tip: record when it happens, cold or hot, idle or pull. This helps a mechanic if you escalate the issue. Buddy, next, tire alignment saves engines too. Segment 18. Buddy, poor wheel alignment increases rolling resistance, making diesel engines push harder to maintain speed. Japanese drivers align wheels yearly or every 12,000 15,000 miles. The fix is keeping alignment tight for less mechanical load. Practical tip: you'll feel smoother cruising and better fuel economy instantly. Brother, next, the brake fluid truth drivers skip. Motivation moment, brother, listening, logging, checking, and aligning are small acts that write a long engine story. Segment 19. Brother, brake fluid absorbs moisture, risking internal rust that spreads into braking hardware and affects driving safety. Japanese drivers replace it every 2 to 3 years. The solution is testing with a fluid tester if unsure. Practical tips: spongy brakes or darker fluid means it's time. Buddy, one more segment left, the final rule that ties all secrets together. Segment 20. Buddy, the smartest drivers don't chase perfection, they chase routine. The 7 Japanese-inspired habits are really about discipline: clean flow, safe containers, smooth driving, cooling respect, filtration timing, and electrical balance. Brother, this mindset keeps diesel engines alive past 600,000 miles globally. Like, share, comment your experience. Consult a certified mechanic if you have special conditions. And always follow your manufacturer's guide. Long life tips are educational and results can vary by